everyone. Can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done, everyone. Are you ready for phonics today? We've got Snowy. Can we say hello to Snowy, everybody? Say hello, Snowy. He's giving you a wave. Snowy, have you got some things in your box for us today? Oh, he has, boys and girls. Shall we see what's inside his box today? Are you ready to sing with me? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Boys and girls. Oh, oh. Boys and girls, we've got some pictures of Snowy today. He's been taking some photos of himself and he's hiding under the duvet. Under. Under. Your turn. My turn again. Under. Your turn again. Well done. I wonder if he was feeling a bit scared that day and that's why he was under the duvet. That's a super picture of you there, Snowy. Thank you for sharing it. Shall we see what else is in the box? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's moving up and down. Oh, do you know what this is, boys and girls? It's an umbrella and we use this when it's raining. My turn. Umbrella. Your turn. My turn again. Umbrella. Your turn again. Excellent. So we need this whenever it's raining to stay nice and dry. So inside Snowy's box today, we've got an umbrella and a photo of him hiding under the duvet. I think there's one more thing in his box today. Shall we find out? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. It's another photo. Snowy's been having fun. He's in the sky going up with a balloon. Can you see? It looks like he was having fun. My turn. Up. Your turn. My turn again. Up. Your turn again. Excellent. So today in Snowy's box, we've got a photo of him going up. We've got another photo of him hiding under the duvet. And we've got an umbrella. Our sound today, boys and girls, is Let me just put these here. So we've got up. We've got under. And we've got his umbrella. So our sound today is Can you see how my mouth is open a little bit? The sound comes from the back. My tongue stays down in my mouth. It's a short sound. Have a go yourself and have a look if you've got anything that starts with and you can point it out. I hope you've had fun joining in today's sounds and let's give ourselves some thumbs up. Well done me. Well done everyone. Can you say bye bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Excellent. Can we say bye bye everyone? Your turn. Well done everyone. Remember, only one video a day and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.